Hey everyone, welcome back to another interview. Today I'm with Keala Howard, who is the owner of Limitlesslikeme, and Keala is going to show us how she has embedded the widgetizer into her own website. She has an awesome website, limitlesslikeme.com. Hi Keala.
Hi, how are you?
How are Good, how are you?
I'm awesome.
Good. Thanks for being here. First of all, you're getting set up on Schoolified and you're offering a couple classes. I want to ask you first, what about the idea of widgetizer is appealing to you? And could you show us on your website some of those widgets?
What I love about widgetizer is that whatever is on Schoolified, you can put it on your website and it's seamless. So it's almost like a white label. You can white label everything on Schoolified onto your website. I love
Perfect.
that. So people can find
Perfect.
me on Schoolified and they can also find my courses on my website because when they go to my website, I want them to feel like they're still at my website.
Right. Yeah.
And if they find
Yeah.
me on Schoolified, that's
You've
fine.
done a lot of branding here.
Yes. Yes, I have. So what I have embedded on my website, when you go to Limitless Like Me, you'll get this page. And then I have my parent dashboard right here. So parents can go to my parent dashboard and I have the URL called parent dashboard, Limitless Like Me
Yeah.
board, and log in here. And then I
Yeah.
have my courses. I have Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. When I go to Algebra 1, boom,
Mhm.
Advanced in Algebra 1, and it's the course directly from Schoolify. It looks like it's on my website, doesn't it?
It does. It looks like it's on your website. It's beautiful. It matches nice. And so what basically people are doing is interacting with your like back office on Schoolified, but it's through the window of your website, which is so nice because again, you work so hard to get all that traffic to your website. If you just had a link then to Schoolified, like Schoolified to get all the credit for the parent, and we don't want that. We want you to get the credit because it's your traffic and it's your students and your clients. So this is
Exactly.
perfect.
Now, do you want me to show you how I got it there?
Yes. So show us just real briefly. Just want to show how easy this is, right? Like how to navigate and find. So after you set up your account on Schoolified, you will end up on the admin page, and that's what we're going to show here. So go ahead and walk us through. How do you get to the widgetizer?
So once you have your account set up and you're on your admin page, you want to set up your courses. And I go to my tutoring services and I have my teacher scheduled courses.
Right. So you've already set up the classes. They're ready to take students, right?
Yes, I've
Right.
already set them up. So the first, we'll use the Algebra 1. So when I select Algebra 1, uh, this is just for me editing the course. Right here is this big button that says widgetize. You can widgetize, share, or preview or share. So I just go to widgetize, widgetize my course. The first thing you have to do with Schoolified widgetize is widgetize the parent dashboard before you can widgetize anything else. And since I already did it, it says the link is successfully embedded. What we're going to do is widgetize something that I haven't done yet. So after you successfully embed this, you can show more links, your course checkout or login link. And then with your course widgets, you can embed the course. Since this course is already embedded, it says this link is successfully embedded. But you can embed your course cards. And I want it. So when you do that, you just copy the link. It automatically copies it to
It copies it to your clipboard. So the
your
course
clipboard.
cards is a widget which highlights all the courses all in one widget that you offer currently.
Mhm.
Versus you can also grab a widget like you did, which only shows the individual course because you've broken it down on your website. Each page highlights an individual course.
Mhm.
So lots of options. It's you can just grab all this different data out of Schoolified and then make it pretty in any which way you want. It's very flexible on your website.
It is. Uh, but I want to put the course cards on my page. So I'm going to go to my back office.
Okay.
Uh, for my website is hosted on Google Sites,
Okay.
which is awesome.
Yeah, you were just singing the praises of Google Sites. I know a lot of people are on Wix, people on WordPress, and I think you're the only one I know recently. I'm sure there's many, many others who are using Google Sites. And you are just saying it's very easy and it's a
Hmm.
lot cheaper if you're looking for a better alternative, right?
Yes, with Google Sites, it's free.
Wow.
You can purchase your URL from Google for $12 a year.
Right.
I already had my URL from GoDaddy and I just transferred it over. But I'm going
Beautiful.
to
Your
create a
your
new.
site is beautiful. I really like it.
Thank you. I'm going to call it courses.
Yeah.
All right, done. So I have an, oh, and so when I go to my courses, let's see, there we go. Page, I want to edit it. Oh, insert embed code. So I'm going to embed the whole code that's on my uh, clipboard, and there it
Yep.
is right there.
Yep. That's the code from
That's
Schoolified. Yep.
that's the code from Schoolified, and then I'll click next, and my course cards. Look at this, and then I just hit
Wow.
enter, and I can resize it. I like to resize it for the full size of the screen
Right.
because I don't want people coming over here scrolling.
Right, for sure. Now, if people are on Wix, you might have a little bit of issue here, like resizing. And that's not with Schoolified, that's on Wix's end. I'm just saying. So if you're having a hard time, maybe look at a different option. But it seems with Google Sites, it just works
Mhm.
seamlessly. Just so nice.
So I'm
Great.
scrolling it all the way down. I'm going to make it that
Yep.
big.
That's great.
One thing you have to do with Google Sites is on this particular page. So I'm going to go
Yep.
back to this page. Google Sites automatically saves what I do. This courses page, I need to go to properties and what I want the custom path to be. So I'm just going to call it
Hmm.
course cards, and done. So with that custom path of the course cards, uh, I need to insert it into the URL. There's a field in here in this part. So I'll edit it. Right here, the redirect URL, see right here, it's empty.
Yes.
I have to put it in there. So I have to do HTTPS www dot, ooh, too many W's. Limitlesslikeme, whatever your website is, .com / and I called it course cards. Course cards.
Right.
Boom.
Did you call it course cards or courses?
I think I called it course cards.
Oh, okay.
Course cards. And so for this, we're going to find out. Okay. Because I'm going to publish it and go to that page.
Right.
So I'm going to publish it, draft, publish. And then I'll go back to here, go home, refresh because it didn't come up.
It's a new there you go, courses. No?
No, I called it course cards. Did it publish? It's called, oh, it's up here, courses.
Home courses about.
Yeah, I probably need to refresh my cache or something. Or stop it. There. There we go.
There it is.
Courses. So when I click on courses, yeah, I called it course cards. This
Oh
URL
yeah.
right here, this is what it
Yep.
looks like.
Yep. Look at
Uh,
that. And that's a list of all your courses. So now when you are talking to a prospect client, either online or in person, and they say, hey, like I'd love to see a list of all your courses, you can just either like you have this memorized in your head, Limitlesslikeme / course cards. You don't have to tell them to like go to my website and click the Schoolify link and blah 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 blah. It's just there. It's in your memory, so you can drop it whenever the opportunity comes to like make a sale, right?
right. So
So
with
nice.
this URL for course cards, I have to give it to Schoolified. So I'm going to copy that,
Okay.
go back to Schoolified,
All right.
and so with verify authentication, I have to click here and
Yep.
put please share the link to your page of your website.
Right.
So that's my course cards page. I just pasted it right there. Click
Yep.
OK, and the link. This is
Does
the
it say
link is
there?
successfully embedded.
Perfect. Love it.
That's it.
So it's ringing, and that's it, and you're
Oh
done.
no,
And
that's the
now,
wrong one. That's the wrong one.
oh, that's why. That's why.
That's
There
why
we
I
go.
did that. There we go.
There we go. Now it's course cards.
It went
Perfect. Now it's
successfully.
success. Good.
Now I'm gonna go back here, make sure it's working.
I
It's
love
working. There we go.
Perfect.
And
Good.
these are the
That's
same ones
amazing.
that are on Schoolified. Look at that.
Right. And they can just navigate and click through, and it keeps them on your website.
Yeah.
I
Is that
love it.
awesome?
That's so good. Well, thank you so much. Do you have anything else you want to share? How do people get in touch with you if they want to talk more about this or learn more about your tutoring, by the way?
They can find me on Instagram at Limitlesslikeme. Just send me a
Awesome.
message there or on Facebook,
On
facebook.com/limitlesslike me.
Facebook, and of course, they come to Limitless Like Me and check out your stuff. I love your stuff. I love how techy you are and your design and all sorts of stuff. You do a great job with your branding and your marketing for sure.
Thank you. I'm still working on this, but I'm going to fix this and change it up, make it look
Oh yeah, can't wait to see it. All right, thank you so much,
right.
Keela. Bye.